What is up, Hardcore Nation? It's Hardcore Christopher here, and it's really early in the morning to be doing this. But I told you guys that there would be a video just coming early since I have to get up. Well, since I have to get ready by 3 p.m. 3 in the afternoon. So, I gotta
There'll be no fight. This gator's already dead. And he's missing some of his limbs.
I got a story, and it's not that long, so. Okay. This happened. Let's see. My mom was still married to my stepdad at the time. So so this happened, let's see. My step siblings at the time were over, and there was a cat on the porch, and the cat wouldn't go away. So my stepfather at the time decided to go get his and the reason why I put that in air quotes is because it wasn't his BB gun. Because what he didn't know, and what I did not mention to him or my mom until I came inside is that our uncle took the gun because it was his. And I know that because I saw proof. He broke down the gun, and there's a little white disc. It said PL. Stood for Perry the Turner. So he goes in to get the gun, and he can't find it. He's irate. And I come in, and I say, oh, Uncle Perry went in and got it. He took it. Well, he was irate. That means that MFO was in my room too. Is exactly what he said, except without the MF. Um. um. And so. He was so irate that he, well, we, that I believe it was a Sunday night where all three of us, one at a time, we were brought into our to their room, and we got a talking to. Well, my mom did the talking because turns out my stepfather didn't have any balls. So that's how that went. So yeah, that's the story. And I know exactly what I'm going to title this show. I'm Hardcore Christopher. Keep it hardcore, everyone.